Hey, this is Doug. I'm over here at Minor Street, and I just wanted to show the before. A lot of caked on stuff on this particular unit. This is the after this one, so they come out real nice. But I definitely did want to show all that lint and everything in here. Go ahead and hold that for me. So go and let me see it. Okay, so got half of this side done, and then of course a lot of this stuff just blows off when we're doing the one side, but it comes out real nice and clean.